Ciao a tutti and welcome to Nonna Gina's Food Adventures. Today we are going to make some ricotta gnocchi with some parsley pesto, and we're just on our way to Mitchell's Fruit Market, which is our local fruit market down at Warilla Grove, to pick up all our fresh ingredients. Let's go on our adventure. I'm here at Mitchell's Market today at Warilla Grove just to pick up our ingredients for our dish today. Let's go. So I have my ingredients, let's go home and cook. So we're back from the fruit market. We've got all our ingredients plus some staples that everyone would have in their pantry. And now I'm going to get changed in my cooking attire. And we're back. We have all of our ingredients. Let's get cooking. So today we're going to make a ricotta gnocchi with a parsley pesto. So the ingredients I have today is 500 grams of ricotta. I have 150 grams of just ordinary plain flour. We have some parmigiano cheese. We have pine nuts. We're going to use lemon. Also the garlic. That is a big thing. And of course the parsley and the olive oil. Now I've got here a little bowl just of extra flour because flour can be very finicky. Sometimes you may need a little bit more depending on the humidity. There's so many variables. So all of these simple ingredients will make you the most beautiful, fluffy, gorgeous gnocchi you have ever had in your life. Okay, so we're going to start making our gnocchi first because they can actually sit and we'll make the pesto after. Okay, so we're now onto our pesto, and I'm going to use my beautiful new KitchenAid which I bought last week. It's a lovely little gadget which is just perfect. It's not one of those big ones, it's not a really tiny one, it's just that perfect in between, which I purchased for a very, very good price at Harvey Norman, so get in there. Now this is another gadget that you can use, I'm sure everybody knows what it is. It's just your mortar and pestle, and you can do it by hand in this, which I have done in the past, but I'm going to use my new little machine. So now we're making our pesto, and add all the ingredients to the processor bowl. As you can see, I've put everything in, and now I'm just going to add half of the olive oil and start on a very low speed. Then once that's incorporated, I'm going to increase the speed to number 2, which is up higher, and also use the rest of the olive oil as I need it. So it can vary. Some people like it a bit more chunkier, some people like it a little bit looser. I prefer it looser because it actually coats the pasta better. Now with the lemon, I squeezed it into my hand, so that way, as you can see, it actually is catching all the pips, and the only thing going into the pesto is the lemon juice, because you don't want pips in your pesto. So here we have our finished product. They are ricotta gnocchi, basically ricotta dumplings with the parsley pesto, and they're super simple to make. Now, doesn't that look absolutely beautiful? Absolutely gorgeous, and the taste is out of this world. So thank you everybody for watching my video, and don't forget, any comments you have, just put in the comments below, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll see you next time in my kitchen for another Nonna Gina's food adventure. Ciao a tutti!